Let me ask you something. Have you ever spent hours creating content for social media only to feel like you're screaming into the void? Well, here's the truth. If you're still using strategies from 5, 10 years ago, you're probably wasting your time. But don't worry. Today, I'm going to break down exactly how to level up your social media game and start seeing real results. Trust me, this will change the way you think about your content forever. Hey everyone, I'm Sean, and I'm here to help you build a powerful presence online. Today, I'm talking about how social media has changed and why adapting to these changes is the key to crushing it in 2024. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create content that connects, converts, and builds your brand. Let's dive in. Remember when everyone was obsessed with getting a million followers? Yeah, that doesn't matter as much anymore. Look at TikTok, look at Instagram Reels. Regular people just like you and me are going viral with a handful of followers. Why? Because the content is king. It's not about how many people see your content, it's about how many people to see it. And how do you get people wanting to see your content? By giving them something valuable, something that grabs their attention and makes them hit that like button or leave a comment. Think about it. What makes stop scrolling? What makes you actually watch a video all the way through? It's probably not another boring sales pitch. It's something different, something engaging, something that speaks directly to. So stop chasing followers and start chasing engagement. Focus on building a community of people who genuinely care about what you have to say. Trust me, it's way more valuable in the long run. All right, so how do you actually create content that grabs attention? It's simpler than you think. Stop trying to be perfect and just start creating. The key is to provide value. Think about your audience. What are their pain points? What keeps them up at night? What are they new? Once you understand their needs, you can start creating content that directly addresses those needs. Maybe you're sharing a quick tip, a behind the scenes look at your process, or a funny story that's relatable to your audience. The point is to create something that sparks curiosity, answers a question, or simply makes people feel good. Don't overthink it. The beauty of social media is that you can experiment and see what works best for your audience. Try different formats, different styles, different topics. The more you create, the better you become at understanding what resonates with your people. And remember, you don't need fancy equipment or a huge budget to create great content. Just start with your phone and your story. Authenticity is key. Here's a mistake I see people making all the time: posting the exact same content across every single platform. Listen, TikTok is not LinkedIn. Instagram is not YouTube. Each platform has its own unique vibe, its own audience, its own style of content that performs best. TikTok is all about short, attention grabbing videos with catchy music and trending sounds. It's fast paced and entertaining. LinkedIn, on the other hand, is a professional networking platform. People are there to learn, connect with other professionals, and advance their careers. So your content should reflect that. Instagram is a highly visual platform, so make sure your photos and videos are top notch. YouTube is perfect for longer form content like tutorials, vlogs, and educational videos. See what I mean? The point is, you need to tailor your content to fit each platform. Don't be afraid to experiment and see what works best for your audience on each platform. Chapter 4. Dominate your niche one platform at a time. I know it can feel overwhelming trying to be everywhere at once, but here's the thing. You don't have to be on every single social media platform. In fact, it's better to focus your energy on a few key platforms where your target audience hangs out. Pick 2 platforms that you really want to dominate. Maybe it's TikTok and Instagram because you love creating short form video content. Or maybe it's LinkedIn and Twitter because you want to establish yourself as a thought leader in your industry. Once you've chosen your platforms, it's time to study the game. Spend some time scrolling through the feeds, paying attention to what's working. What kind of content is getting the most engagement? What are other creators in your niche doing? What are the trending hashtags? Take notes, get inspired, and start creating content that matches the tone and energy of those platforms. The more you immerse yourself in those spaces, the better you'll understand how to create content that resonates with the audience you're trying to reach. Chapter 5, Quality over Quantity, always. Let's talk about posting frequency for a minute. I know you've probably heard that you need to be posting every single day, multiple times a day, to stay relevant. And while consistency is important, it's not just about how much you post, it's about the quality of what you're putting out there. Think about it this way. Would you rather have 10 mediocre pieces of content or 3 amazing pieces of content that really make an impact? I'm going to guess you chose the latter. Instead of spreading yourself thin, trying to churn out content every single day, focus on creating fewer, higher quality posts that provide real value to your audience. It's better to post less often and have your content be absolutely fire than to post every day with mediocre content that no one really cares about. Chapter 6. Creating a successful social media strategy isn't a guessing game. It's about setting clear goals, tracking your progress, and making adjustments along the way. Start by setting a realistic content goal for yourself each week. Maybe it's creating 3 high-quality videos or posting 5 engaging Instagram stories. Whatever it is, make sure it's something you can realistically achieve. Once you've set your goals, it's time to track your results. Pay attention to which posts are getting the most engagement, which platforms are driving the most traffic, and what time of day your audience is most active. Use the insights provided by each platform to understand what's working and what's not. Don't be afraid to experiment with different content formats, posting times, and hashtags to see what resonates best with your audience. Remember, social media is constantly evolving. What worked last month might not work this month. So stay flexible, stay curious, and don't be afraid to adapt your strategy based on the data you're collecting. Chapter 7. Here's the good news. Organic reach is making a comeback. Yep, you heard that right. Platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and even LinkedIn are prioritizing good content over paid ads. Why? Because they know that users are more likely to engage with content that feels authentic and engaging rather than just another sponsored post. This is a huge opportunity for creators like you. By focusing on creating high quality, engaging content that provides real value to your audience, you can reach a wider audience organically without having to spend a ton of money on ads. Of course, paid advertising still has its place, but don't underestimate the power of organic reach, especially in today's social media landscape. Chapter 8. Here's a challenge for you. Spend 1 week creating content without worrying about boosting posts or running ads. Just focus on getting your message out there organically. Create engaging videos, share your story, connect with your audience on a deeper level. Use relevant hashtags, engage with other users in your niche, and participate in relevant conversations. Track your reach, engagement, and website traffic throughout the week. You might be surprised by how much you can achieve without spending a dime on advertising. The key is to create content that people actually want to see and share. When you focus on providing value and building genuine connections, the algorithm will reward you. So there you have it. 8 powerful ways to transform your social media strategy. Remember, it's not about working harder. It's about working smarter. You've got the tools, the ideas, and the drive. Now it's time to put it all into action. And if you want to dive deeper into using AI to supercharge your marketing, grab my ebook at The Ultimate Guide to AI in digitalmarketing.com. Trust me, it's packed with insights you can start using today. Comment below and let me know which of these tips you're going to try first. And if you found this video helpful, share it with a friend who needs to hear this. Let's all level up together. See you in the next video.